the tables from.
Good morning. Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, children, as you know, your assessment is coming on Friday, which is 29th of 1st of October, right? 1st October, Friday is your assessment, maths assessment. So, as you all know, we are doing the revision. We have already done the revision of chapter number 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Yeah, does it look the same? And the chapter 4 was related with
Time.
time.
And the
So
fifth
the
chapter was
chapter
related
with
the way the world looks.
the way the world looks. Yeah, the way
Ma'am,
the
have
world
you
looks,
done?
and
Top
Have
view,
you done
side
chapter number 5?
view.
Yes, and all that.
Prayag is speaking something. Let me listen. Yes, Prayag.
Ma'am, have you done chapter number 5 revision? Because I was absent at Friday.
I have sent the Google form to you all. The Google
Yes,
form
ma'am.
which is
Yes.
chapter 4 and 5.
Yes, ma'am.
I will check also if I have not sent. I will send it today.
Ma'am, he
Okay.
has done that.
Let me check. Yeah, I have sent the Google form of chapter 4 and 5. It is posted on 23rd of September. So please do that also. After that also, I have sent one more revision worksheet with the answer key based on chapter number 4. Right? Now today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 6. What is the name of chapter 6?
6, ma'am. Jung Salad.
Book
Yeah?
that you have sent, we have to write in revision book or
Yeah,
in our
solve it in your revision book and write the final answer in the Google form. And the sheet which I have sent worksheet with the answer key that you solve in revision notebook completely.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever
And
revision are doing, listen, whatever revision are doing every day, do revision in the revision notebook only. Janya, please table your camera. I can see you are somewhere out. Please table your camera at one place. Okay, so now I'm going to present you my screen. Can you all see this?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
We will discuss the answers first, then I will give you the link of the Google form, then you complete that Google form. Right? First, we will discuss few of the answers here which are here. Write two
Ma'am,
questions,
we have
A
to
and
not
B.
write in the
Oh,
revision book.
I'm giving no instructions. Please listen. Write A and B in your revision notebook fast. 5 notes of rupees 100. 5 notes of rupees 100 make how many? How much amount?
500.
Rupees.
500.
500 rupees.
12 notes of rupees 5.
Ma'am, 60 rupees.
60 rupees.
60 rupees. I will discuss all, but you can write only two in your notebooks. 10 notes of rupees 10 makes how much?
100.
100 rupees, ma'am.
100. 15 notes of 50. How you will find 15 notes of 50?
Ma'am, ma'am, the
Tell me,
answer is 750.
is he right, students? How you will calculate?
Ma'am, first
15 multiplied by 50.
yes, ma'am, but easy way is like first I have multiply by 50
By 10.
multiply by 10
Huh.
and
Then
then 15 multiplied by 5 and added. So it is
Yes.
coming 750.
Very good. So please write 750 rupees, 750. And we are not writing rupee sign this one. We are writing the another rupee sign which we have learned. 6 notes of 1,000.
6,000.
6,000.
8 notes of 20.
6.
Ma'am,
160.
100.
I want the students to, other
160.
students also to answer me. Janya,
Yes, ma'am.
8 notes of 20.
160, ma'am.
Very good. 14 notes of 2.
Ma'am, 14
Ma'am,
notes of
24.
2 is 34.
24.
Yes. Now I will
34.
call the child name. That child will only answer me. First of all, let me take the attendance.
Ma'am, we will write more in the
Ma'am,
revision
You
notebook.
can write if you can write within the time period.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer will be 8 notes of rupees 20 will be 1.
8 notes of rupees 20. Like, wait, let me read the question. 8 notes of 20.
160.
160. Okay. Children, if you want to write all the sums, you can write. It's up to you. But I will present here. Quickly, you need to write. Okay. And I will call the child name. That child only will answer me. I will present this for 1 minute. Please write it fast if you want to write all. Let me see you all. Are you all writing?
Ma'am,
Is there any child who is typing in the chat box something? Because when I see, then only is there any child, any problem? No. Okay, I will present it. Can I move this worksheet now?
ma'am, wait a minute. Only 2 is left. Only
Yes,
2.
Because it's, please, fast. Then we can discuss all the concepts related with it. I'm going to the next question now.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
And you can see we are finding all these answers by multiplying. 5 multiplied by 100, 500, 12 multiplied by 5, 60. And you can see this rupee sign we need to write. 15 multiplied by 50, 750.
Ma'am, my done. You can remove this screen.
6 notes of 2000 when you do 12.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am,
moving
done.
it now. 50 rupee notes are needed to make rupees 200. So how many 50 rupees notes are needed to make?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
you
four.
do that?
I will
Four.
call the child name. Kush is saying something. Let me listen. Yes, Kush.
Ma'am, can you that 5 notes of 100 that one page? Can you repeat? I want to take a screenshot. Okay. Ma'am.
6 notes of 1000 is 6000. If I change it, 6 notes of 2000 makes how many thousands?
Ma'am, what is the question?
12,000.
6 notes of 1000 is 6000. And instead of 1000, if I make it 2000, what will be the answer?
12,000.
12,000.
Yes. Can I move now, Kush? Kush Desai. Can I move to the next question?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 50 rupee notes are needed to make rupees 200. So how many 50 rupees notes are needed to make? Please, Laisha will give me this answer.
Ma'am,
Laisha,
Yes, ma'am.
how many 50 rupee notes makes the 200?
Four.
2. Don't see here the answer.
Four.
Yes. Next question. How? Please, meantime, you others can complete. Arnav Desai. Arnav Desai.
Yes, sir.
How many
Yes, sir.
50 rupee notes required to make 800?
50 rupees less. Ma'am,
Children, you know how to find this type of answer? You divide. 800 divided by 50. What is the answer?
200.
I don't know Varenya what she wants to speak because the mic is on.
Can you say the question again?
Varenya,
Because
mute yourself first.
80 845
Arnav, mute.
80
Arnav, whenever these type of questions are coming, how many notes are required to this type of like 800? How many notes are required to make the 800 for 50 rupee with the 50 rupee notes? 800 divided by 50.
double my 80
Divide it fast. Students, I'm audible to you on?
Yes, ma'am. Audible and visible.
yes, ma'am,
Okay.
audible and visible.
Arnav, will you give me the answer?
Ma'am, I have found the answer.
Ma'am, I have also.
Yes, I can see students are writing in the chat box. Yes, Janya, can you give
Ma'am,
me the
Rishik
answer?
has written.
ma'am, I get the answer only.
Yes, 16. So please write the answer 16.
I do what?
Okay,
Yes.
I'm moving to the next question. 20 rupees and 10 rupee notes are needed to make rupees 190. So first of all, how many 20 rupee notes I need to make?
Ma'am, 5.
Okay, 5 20 rupee notes makes the 200. No, yeah, let me check.
520 rupee note make
Means
100
100,
rupees.
make
And
100. Then how
10
many?
rupees.
Why not I can make it?
Ma'am, I can say one another.
Who is this?
Ma'am, he.
Yes, sir. Please tell.
Ma'am,
He,
nine not
he. Okay.
nine. No, ma'am, he not. He.
Hit. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 920 rupees notes
Yes.
and
920 rupees notes make how much?
Ma'am, 180.
And how many 10 rupee notes then you need?
Ma'am, 1.
Yeah. So Yuk, Surana, Hit, both are correct because they are expressing it in the different way. Okay. Now I will go to the next D1. 500 rupee, 100 rupee and 5 rupee notes are needed to make the 620. So how many 500 rupee I will take? This answer will be told by Kavisha. Kavisha, you there? To make the 620, how many 500 notes you need, how many 100 notes you need, and how many 5 rupee notes you need?
Ma'am, one 500 rupee note
Hmm.
and 100 rupees note
Hmm.
and 4 5 rupees note.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Multiply by split method. We all have learned that column method. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
We all have
Yes,
learned this
ma'am.
type of column method. This
Yes,
method is
ma'am.
called the split method also, right?
Yes,
Expand
ma'am.
the numbers like 25. So 20 and 5, 98, 90 and 8. So now what we will do in this column, what we will fill in this box, 90 multiply by, yes,
Can I go for washroom?
yes, please go.
Ma'am, we have to do this in our revision notebook.
Yeah, at least do, please. 25 multiply by 98.
But ma'am, can you show that
No, no need. You see this sum,
okay, ma'am.
multiply the following by column method. You can write, or you can write split method. Both are same. Split means expand them. Column also we are expanding the same thing. Are you all doing, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask from Varinya. Varinya,
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
am I audible to you? Varinya, am I audible to you? My dear, please answer me. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
So why Varinya and Varij are not giving me the answer? Varinya, you only turn on your mic. Turn on your mic fast, Varinya. Do you have any problem with your mic? No, na? I will present the screen and give me the answer.
Ma'am, I have found the answer. Can I write in chat box?
No, no.
Ma'am, I
Varinya, which two numbers I will multiply and write the answer here?
Ma'am, I have to give.
Varinya, please be quick. I need to give chance to other students also. I'm asking which two numbers I will multiply and I will write the answer here in this box.
Ma'am, we have to multiply 20 multiplied by 96 is equals to 18.
It is not 96, it is 90.
90
Because
is equals to 800. 1800.
20, just a minute. 20 multiplied by 9, 90 is 1800. Yes. Now I will move to next Div. Div,
Yes, ma'am.
which two numbers I will multiply and I will write here in this box?
Ma'am, 5 multiplied by 90.
What will be the answer?
So the answer will be 450.
Okay. Next is Heer Patel. Heer, are you there?
Yes, I am there.
Yeah. Here, which two numbers I will multiply and I will write here?
8 multiplied 5.
8 multiplied by 5?
No, 90 multiplied by 20.
Yeah, 8 multiplied by 20. 8 multiplied by 20 and you will write the answer here. What will be the answer? Fast, students. Mute yourself. Lot of voices coming here. What is the answer here? 20 multiplied by 8. Yes. Next, Kiana will tell me. Kiana,
Yes, ma'am.
which two numbers we will multiply and write the answer here?
Ma'am, 5 with 90 and 8.
5 with 90 in this column. In
Yes,
this,
ma'am, can I drink water?
yes, please.
Ma'am, I will just bought it.
Okay. So, Kiana, which two numbers we will multiply and write the answer here?
Here,
8.
8 with 5.
Yes. So, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, that I have to do.
Yeah, it will give you 8 5s of 40. So this way you will fill 1800, 450, 160 and 40. And the numbers which you have filled, add them. What is the answer, Yuksurana?
Ma'am, 2450.
Correct. That will be your answer, 2450. And how you can check whether it is correct or not? You can simply multiply 25 with the 98. This, if this answer is same, you can see your this column method is right. Can you do one more sum? 86 multiplied by 45. Do it fast, students, and then I will ask the final answer from you all. Fast. Prayag.
Yes, ma'am.
Prayag, which two numbers we will multiply and write the answer here?
40 multiplied by 80.
What is the answer?
3600.
Let me check whether it is right or not. 80 multiplied by 40, you said, right? What you
Yes,
said answer is?
36 3600.
No, please check. 8 multiplied by 4 you do.
Sorry,
And then
ma'am.
this 0 and this 0 will be,
3200.
what will be?
3200.
Yes, 3200. So this box you need to fill with 3200. Next, Khush Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
Which two numbers we will multiply and write the answer here in this box where my cursor is?
In the second box,
Yes.
we have to write the 4 8 4. Ma'am, we have to. Ma'am, what is the number?
This is
Down
40, 45.
45.
Because we have splitted na 45.
Yes.
So tell me.
Yeah, here it will come 30.
In this box.
30.
In this. No, in this box I am telling, in this one. 6 multiplied by 40 you will do.
Yes.
So what will be the answer?
640s are
Multiply the number with the number and add the 0. 6 4s is what?
6 4s are 24.
And add the
And
0. So what will be the answer? 240. Yes. Next child is Dirk Patel. Dirk Patel. Is he there in the class? Janya.
Ma'am, found the answer.
If you don't give me the answer, students, then I think I am not audible to you all.
Ma'am, it is right answer 380. 3870. It is
That
right.
we will check. We will check at the last. Rishik, you give me.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishik, what will come here in this box?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will do 6 multiply by
No,
8.
no, this one, this one.
Yeah, ma'am, in this own. So 5.
8 5s are, what is the answer? 8 5s are, add the 0.
Ma'am, 400 no?
400. And now next child will give me. Mir Virani is there in the class? Mir Virani is there in the class? Meet Prohit is there in the class? Children, please answer me. Meet Prohit is there or not in the class?
Ma'am,
Yes,
he
ma'am,
is
I'm there.
there.
So Meet is also there. Me, Virani is also there.
Yes,
Why you are
ma'am,
not
he is
giving the
there.
answers, students?
Ma'am,
I have to wait for 1 hour
ma'am,
here.
he is stuck.
Yes,
Let me take
ma'am.
the attendance for a minute.
He's stuck.
Mir, Virani, both are stuck.
Ma'am, Mir Virani is not stuck.
So why
Only
me?
me is stuck.
Why me, Virani is not answering then?
Meet Purohit is stuck.
Okay, I will. Bhakti will give me the answer. Bhakti,
Yes, ma'am.
what will come here in this box?
5 6 are
Hmm.
5 6 are 30.
Yes. So what is the total answer, students, now?
Ma'am, 3870.
Yes,
Yes,
870.
Okay. So if your answer is this, your answer is correct.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Okay. If your answer is this, Arnav, then it's correct. Okay. So now I will move to the next method. If a person earns rupees 73 a day, find how much he will earn in 7 days. How you will find, students?
Ma'am, 73 multiplied by 7.
Yes. If one day it is given and you need to find for many, you always have to multiply. Now, if a person earns 73 in a day, how much he will earn for 6 weeks? So here what are we going to multiply?
73 multiplied by 6.
No, 73 multiplied by 6 we will not do.
Oh, ma'am, 73 multiplied by
By 7 and then multiply by 6.
6.
First, you should know in a week how much he is earning, which you have already calculated 511. And this 511, when you multiply it by 6, you will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
for the 6 weeks. Now it
Ma'am,
is in days. This one is
89
in days.
days.
So here you can directly multiply 73 with the 89.
8.
But here it is 7 weeks. So here
Ma'am, 17
again
weeks
511 will multiply by 17.
in weeks.
Why not 73? Because 73 is for the one day and
Yes,
551 is for the 1 week. So 551 will multiply by the 17. Clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. This we have learned about the loan and the interest also in this chapter. Now, amount means here the loan and amount with interest is written here. This is the loan amount. This is the amount with interest. So, can you tell me in the first situation,
Ma'am, 18
Rishik
plus.
will tell me what is the interest in this, Rishik? Rishik, be quick. Laisha will give me. Laisha, children, you need to be quick. Otherwise, I'll move to the next child. Laisha, what is the interest in the first one?
In the first one, it is rupees 680.
It's, my dear, is the total amount with the interest. So in that amount, what is the interest amount included?
Ma'am, can I say the interest?
No. Laisha, I will explain you. Okay. I have taken a 600 rupees loan. Now I am paying 680 to the bank. So how much extra amount I am paying?
Ma'am, 80.
80. Extra amount is the loan amount. Next is Varija. Varija, what is the low interest in the second one?
Ma'am, 500.
Yes. Next is Kiana. Kiana, what is the interest in the third one?
Ma'am, the interest is 56 rupees.
56 rupees. You
No,
have
ma'am.
you have taken 956, now paying 1500. So tell me the difference amount. Minus is and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Div Patel. Div Patel, tell me what is the interest in the fourth one?
Yes, ma'am, I am saying.
Priyag, tell me the interest in the fifth one.
The fifth one, interest.
Find out fast, students. Kiana, tell me the answer for the third one.
Ma'am, I have found fourth one.
No, I have already assigned to the students. Third one, Kiana. Fourth one, Dev. And the fifth one, Priyag.
Ma'am, I can say.
I got the answer of the fifth one.
Ma'am, I also. Ma'am, you got.
Okay, Dev, your answer, fourth one.
Ma'am, I have fourth.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I can say fourth one.
Which child?
Heat.
No, I have already assigned to the students. Fast, students.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
got the answer. 127 interest.
Yes. Prayag is right. Hit your
Ma'am,
Dev,
I
yours.
have found fourth also.
Yeah, please check your answers whether they are correct or not.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I say?
Dev, yes.
Ma'am, can I say the fifth answer?
My dear, I have already called the child name. Dev, are you giving me the answer?
Yes,
Should I
ma'am.
move to the other? Yes, please
Uh,
give.
Ma'am, 322.
Yes, right. Next child is Kiana. Kiana, are you giving the third answer? Not calculated yet. Who? Yuksurana, give me the third answer.
Ma'am, 545.
545 or 544?
Ma'am, it's 44.
Yes. So please check the answers if your answers are these. Then
Ma'am,
these are
correct.
correct answers. Yes.
Ma'am, correct.
How we will find out from the total amount when we from the this amount where the interest is included and we minus the loan amount, we will get the interest amount.
Ma'am,
We have learned about the profit and loss also, students. Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arnab, please mute your mic. Your mic is disturbing us a lot. Hit mute your mic, please.
My mic is mute.
Okay. This is profit and loss. 1 kg peas is rupees 32. Sold for 40. Bought for 32. Sold for 40 means we are selling at the higher price. In this case, it's a profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit of how much?
Ma'am, 8 rupees.
8 rupees.
8 rupees. 2 kg apples of rupees 108, now selling it at rupees 119. Laisha, it's a profit or loss?
Ma'am, it is a profit.
Profit of how much?
Ma'am, 19.
19 rupees. 108 you have purchased.
Ma'am.
You are now selling it at 119. How much is the profit
Ma'am, I
in this?
know.
Ma'am, can I say Rishik?
Ma'am, can I say Varija?
Ma'am,
But
can I
why
say Rishik?
Laisha is not giving? I want the answer from Laisha only.
Ma'am, can I say?
Laisha doesn't know subtraction.
No, but I'm calculating.
Laisha, 119 minus 108, you will get the balance amount.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, I will ask from Laisha only.
Ma'am, can you wait a minute?
Yes, please calculate it. Rishik, you tell me the third answer by the time.
Yes, ma'am. Ten pence.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Profit.
Yes, like
Ma'am, profit.
It is 11.
Ma'am, profit of 7 rupees.
Rishik, wait. Yes, Laisha is correct. 11, profit of 11. Yes, Rishik, how much is the profit?
Ma'am, 7 rupees.
Huh. Next, Yuksurana, tell me the fourth answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Is a profit or loss?
Ma'am, it's a profit.
Okay. Tell me how much is the profit?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's 63.
So rupees 63 is the
Rupees
profit.
63 is the profit.
Next, I will move to the Nekvarija. Varija, radio has purchased rupees 300 and selling it as rupees 125. So it's a condition of profit or a loss?
Ma'am, loss.
Loss. How much loss? Here?
Ma'am, 25.
No. Find out. I will come back to you, Varija, again. Here, are you there?
Yes, I am there.
I have purchased something which is TV, which is of 10,000 and sold it at 9,999. Is the condition of loss or a profit?
Ma'am, you got loss of rupees 1.
Very good. Khush Desai. Khush Desai. Khush Desai. Meer Virani. Khush Desai, Meer Virani, Meet Prohit.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
all are sleeping. What?
No,
Meet
ma'am.
Prohit is. So, Meer Virani, where were you? Turn on your camera. I want to ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Meer Virani, tell me. I have
Yes.
purchased a table of rupees 325 and sold it at 650. Is the condition of profit or a loss?
Profit.
How much profit?
Ma'am, it is of 300.
300 profit.
No, ma'am, I am telling you.
Tell me what is the profit.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ahana will tell me. Ahana. Ahana,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me. Is this the condition of profit, last one, or the condition of loss?
Ma'am, it is condition of profit.
Okay, how much profit?
Ma'am, can you wait 2 minutes?
Please, fast.
सर सी मैंने कितना लिखा?
Ahana, give me fast.
Yes, ma'am.
650 minus 325. Yes.
Ma'am, it's the half means 1 second of 1 second
What?
in fractions. Ma'am, that 325 and 650 question was 1 second fraction. Means half a fraction.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to send you the Google form today based on the revision of chapter number 6, students. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Solve it in the revision notebook and then write the final answer in the Google form. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Just a minute, students.
Have a good day, ma'am.